What is up, guys? It's your old pal King Cat back at you with another video. So, my teeth are not even. I just noticed that. Oh well. No stream tonight. There might be a stream tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll work on it. I also might shave. So, yeah. But I might be streaming something different. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I know I don't really talk when I make my videos. So, I'm going to make these entertaining. Anyway, guys, yeah, I have fidget spinners. I have a slew of them. My other stash is in my car. So, yeah. I'll let you guys go. I'm going to fidget spin and have a blast. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace out!